Mayam Kurumjari Doming Birivasi Impact News ni Impact Talk to Manipur connect with people. You serve Thoramasu Mijing Tabiru Miam Puno Hanmaka Taram Nokchiri. Nasisumiam Gidamakta on a special guest Maka Equina Pudur Lakchiri. Handakta Gawa Amadi Mumbai the Pangtokiba RUBARU Mr. India 2025 Asida Manipuri present Obunatana top 16 finalists Jankro Matung da Kugitongan Tongan subtitles Ke Amaka Globiduna Hivatare Kogi Manipur gi pageantry gi world Sida Anoba Saktagla Iba the Gumba model Makaki warning a sequin of Pudan luxury bussy. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please welcome the guest of today, Mr. HANSON IROM. HANSON, welcome to the show.
So much, sir.
Nungai Rico HANSON, 100 the Impact TV entire team a big congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
Although HANSON 100 the ina Kangjaning Busse. Kogi HANSON say Mamang the RUBARU Mr. India 2025 Sigi Kenoto you are also a very strong contestant in Mega Mr. Northeast Ivatareko. Have the pageantry journey says mine chang kilometers the pageantry is all about among the so the leadership key quality everything grooming sessions the A to Z say perfect with the way they kind of my life is the high tareko. Have the Sigi pageantry worlds the newly chang pumatams the high tari sagi life the curriculum changes like adugi so have you
Hamam to the Mambotaram Kurumjari, Igiming, HANSON IROM, sing the missing Hamaka for Makundaki. In a Sigi pageantry line, Hamba sang Pumatam Sida Sazi like Hamba the bodybuilding to me is to the bodybuilding to Pumatunda Kamaini. Noma si bodybuilding like Marama Tormai Haduka Mr. Manipur Tore after that 7 category the fifth less Pangjareko. Adu Matungdomo intercollege toy intercollege no third place pang. After that the pandemic hit koi issue man tokale adedi koi room like as my father is like he's not really wealthy and I come from middle class when lak one matam da furniture business masam tor lai banina adwaina koi babana swana chanpa handakti kan tawiro handakti thon khodano di baba khar ware khole aduna and I decided to quit the bodybuilding. I'm a passionate or stage performance I decided to quit it. But and after that, one of my brother, Robert, I gave photos like social media and after that, one of the renowned designer in Manipur, Arvind Donjam, on the reach out to me. You have potential, nang model loibi ko pe yani ko ni and already man reach out to matunda. Mana work channel kolaga I see best line sang and after that mana you groom pan to we like yambom labor yam prems album labor mana like hana she bodybuilding like only flexing and all katang or me na go peasantry sang was like katang take no habam sang in adwana tor me the mana swana is nang mu ga sat le ko le yar mana sem doctor na kotana and kar to we am prems the one of the Manipur me am khangna rodum series kong tabam news anchor English ki do we ba is kong with the airlines ki nodal official the shores kongta manager for groom to how to speak, how to communicate with each other, or the confidence me man the command conservative or the frame of but man man takpiring on that. When I took and after that megaze joint tore first time present in megas in a game aduga megasida yaram the first time or when I experience leg or and confidence kitang watki but I did my very best I nadum agi amza potential dum potential dum utki but katang ni kani sana mi khudip competition as a winner you have feel that success ni adum aduna katang result dum agi kano phangdra like and I'm proud of it because I was able to represent myself and the Manipur state also adwaina khale then after that the shores ka kano tower wari channel matung dum nang moina hana hari mega thorum nina menfic toxina tor moina like it's a step down in the bank khalle I did northeast represent or matung da amuk kado bagi menfic can talk to khalle and after that after thinking so much I got the opportunity the shows na there's one peasant Mr. RUBARU India na to hire po the shows na igonda tagi darabin as mana sige nang mana sil line set lo kholo mana phagani khotkani and ko dan to kholo man hire matung da. So I decided to give a go to this Mr. RUBARU India, and I when the Manipur present, Instagram official page as Manipur present trinum later. Aduna moina Tagale noma. Mr. RUBARU India audition is coming up. Reach out to this mentor. So I decided to reach out already, and auditions the me tarung mukla and me tarung and I was lucky hai and was blessed by God, so I selected for the audition, and yeah, when journey is my luck pani journey je duga.
That's when the entire journey, the entire episode of Rubaru started. Hai tare ko. Ado yam sunu ngai jita za matam da have from very initial stage to have tare you have to change your career also in order to enter the pageantry also. Have the maybe the universe want you to be more in pageantry. Hai tare ko. Makata na main khangjing mis handaki Rubaru Mr. India 2025 sida hai tare HANSON na Manipur represent tawrubase. Isa da kari fau bi amasung and then sigi pageantry sida hai tare ko. Akogi India gi is one of the most renowned and one of the biggest male pageantry competition ne Rubaru Mr. India hai se. Sigi da maktadi kamaina preparation di tawi ki adugi wari sili.
Okay. Sigi audition khalla matungda. Isa na fau like I was like life story and hijara gi ko. See, ayumana bamzu lebo David ayum lebo. Like he really supported me in every form, in every like maze tinabazu kuidri. Ma mega da khangna rakpane ba. Mana is fazana kahani. As a best friend, as a brother, mana is support to be. No maze ay mana mo da by audition salure hale ngasi result to ni ko to ni. Ay pakale if I would not get selected. I mean, I really want to represent our state Manipur from the bottom of my heart. And I hire man. So by kichu khalu no. Nang sweat ni khalakani and we were just gym halak pane ba khoja. And the message pop up suddenly. The my minister. Dear HANSON, congratulations. And I was literally out of burst with my happiness. Like lambi dene koi le like ti haraw like over teen over. Went to reduga Mazudum Nungaina 20 phone to record my work channel. Then Aina Sigi Manipur is one of the biggest platform. Rubaru Mr. India is the president of the Sadake Kondanda. I feel like I'm carrying the pride of Manipur, heritage of Manipur as I'm wearing this right now. Aina Kale Aduga journey ze sir, I'm to repeat to last question though.
Magi preparation di kamay to.
Agi Rubaru preparations kamay to ham tamda dum hana de mega lawyer matungda Rubaru lakpani na kitang di experience hana agi mistake myam je agi mentor dong hange like ai kai di improve to hoyai ai sa da kai da walk to improve to gadra skin di improve to gadra body di improve to gadra the way of communicating with other da improve to gadra ko gadra na agi mentor hange moina spanai kitang wangam ko kitang shoy katang improve to ko lo voice clarification katang thamo ko lo pain tamar katang prepare went to re and overall adum ai prepare to like specific oina to go to prepare them like mainly focus period at adum overall na adum ishan prepare to jare badum and advaina preparation to matung da adum Mr. Rubaru
and then preparation gi matang sa lakmutans we saw that you also performed thangta and on the stage, right? Adugi matang da I think you have a very interesting story about that episode also. Let's tell us about it.
Thangta gi preparations you like talent round ha ba da khoi gi zoom meeting to matam da like talent round part 1 da khoi Rubaru part ani khadu part 1 amu part 2 part 1 da koina like khoi gi manager gumba magi da hang matam da talent round yaw god ham to ne yaw and the color in hire ba and like I was really because I khale talent round like I say sakpa khotpa like my voice is kind of I khale yaw di khan ta kitang fare ko le khale adu and Mumbai Google wagi lore top 16 finalists khandok lore and after that only 1 week left ngai kan da moi zoom meeting last wena top 16 finalists ki taw matam jida talent round is included and it's very important tawra moina and comment to ham tum do aina akoi gi yam prem ngasai ja gi do adong mon reach out tawre na the prem ai moi talent round gi kai so case tawni ham tam da ai zoom meeting da taw tam da thangta taw ni na masala uning maram di Manipur gi thangta sina chingkhali ni kholi ni maina hire da moi gi Rubaru official da jo aina the representative jo nang na khali dem fai kholi adeng Darwin dong hange Darwin si thangta gi taw ba ga dra khot katra mana as adu jam pho bani nang du main taw nang mu ngam ga dra khot katra aina Darwin du ngam ni kho ni main taw dum main chale adai da prim ji no mo ma kergaw dagi leba oza mangi joy mogi aina di mabok haire mabok thabana mana ai masa masu te to wi ga thangta jong tambi re numit mari da thangta se tome like ayuk ta gym je pung 10 mapan adai satlaga amu sanor amma daina amu yume ga pothar bol pung ani daina ahum adai daina pung dang pung ni pano pung din numit mari je lep ta bitame consecutive and after that I was able to show our heritage, our cultural martial arts in this prestigious platform in Mr. India.
Yamna su nungaise haida akona sa hadinu with marigi result ne haina so akona su ugide haida you perform very nicely haida and very smoothly haida ko habde adumakna su habde am small oiba keno bataraga su ek macha makha oiba bataraga at least we have our own heritage, we have our own defense systems haida adugumba makha ugi badu yamna su nungaise ken to matamda and adugi matungda rubaru se koina HANSON ge se top 16 finalists all over India ge top 16 finalists HANSON jang haida janga matungda what's more interesting is that koina subtitle ani lobi rakibase have the people choice award have amaga best physics award awards is koina HANSON na mai tor grab to big right sigi subtitle ani sigi matang na su koina haibiro the kari kari because atopa top 16 mayam do I know yang zaba matam de ke should nope te na khale haidar ha am tina tough for competitions handa ki especially and the Q in
this time the competition is really tough
I think matang do haibi
mayam gi support tagi sigi people social awards di mayam gi support from the peoples of Manipur and everywhere sigi support people social awards di aina tor phangja bane I di mayam no voting were like commenting sharing like sidagi dum people social award gi aina tok de phangya as you all know best Mr. Perfect body is like bodybuilding kar tau jara pani na to katang physical level like I see physics dum like second social tham me boy and only focus is like I how to communicate to kamai na mi ngon da kamai na ngang thokani kamai na gi je kamai na ngang ari kamai na fajagani khotkani kamai na tham ne bodyism like I was like priority period ga like katang second na tham my pi ba albaina phangi subtitle ani je and overall albaina tawre aduga layo jipudi
yamna su nungai ko and then hope that ko ye mathang gi step by step su kabul I think competitions is to have the completely low with a highness of my low musu ya di brand su khalle ko have the mathang gi round me am khak su lady hai tar HANSON you are just taking a break here in Manipur hai tar natra yamna su nungai ji taza matam HANSON makha ta na moina khangjining the sexy competitions ko some overall some as a layman na moina hai tar as someone who like pageantry hai tar ko some follow top matam some u matam hai tar one of the most interesting part about this competition hai tar ko sigis this ko nupa gi in so ko swimsuit round official swimsuit round hai na dumaya lai ko sigis di ko mamang with different pageantry that involves nupi gi matang da ko swimsuit to matam da ko body show to matam da hai tar ko criticism gum ko myam khak phangi ko but any nupa gi wai tar so like atop opposite sex na boy gira amana boy gira hai tar ko sida HANSON gi di habdi kirang offended oi ba wa hai ngak pa yaw bra criticize tor pa yaw at the same time are you being objectified looking at that pictures or anything like tell us about your experience
I like see where yam sang like and the bodybuilding tor matam da su like aina lambi da nong phatok sin new year no bit never no was in a walking sala matam je no na I tung jida it's like a sung hang da video nambira me je and I went viral I did lambi is the padla sa le khole because I wasn't on bulking I did dum bulk tor sa patam kitang bodybuilding tor wa kitang fan ba ha masana ta ha dum line tor my video nambira me na viral mo sa le je adagi criticism je dum like male model lam sang ba I did me am na well groomed ba well defined ba chisel ba ji dum masana ta ba ni like it's about being glam and glamorous after all. Why not? Tong patam sida. Why not? Katang kadi Manipur gi katang hai kadi Manipur gi like katang lai jabi lai bedu da katang nungai jadi hai di mamang da zu hadaki kui di mamang da ai like mamang da troll long sachuri hai di Goa gi satrikan mamang sida cherau matang or male da katang like ai je glam gi dress katang chesa bane ba like people were literally trolling because when I say is it live if you go make pe call le when I torga like troll to people because when I bank register or like I take in a good way when I hire guys kusukai de khandida because men should be strong I can mine khanjabam le when my hire is like I dum ngamna ba tawni ko ni dum hire jana the question da when hire do I power on the sina ge moi promote to be ko pi khan lu emorum de at mine tawre ai wari jat maina la adu criticism somewhere around lak matam is like mi pamna bazule pamna bazule amoram da haigadi aduga sigi industry sang matam da haibam tam di like we have to carry on our own body sidi hoi confidence makhalam ne hoina like 24 hour gym hojikan matam is like fitness da thawau da mi am da yaudre hojiti aduna like body for wise de hoi like mental health amasung body like na improve lak to ne aduna hoina swimwear rong tong matam sida katang Manipur ke katang yeng ba hai katum katang dil lay du mapan di thola matum di objectify katang oi badi kem laite mai di like dum like kamaina hai ni ham tum da
acceptance
accept dum to bi bu dum
acceptance
Manipur like katang mi amna kanom torok matum da katang yeng bi ko pi to katang adu katang ngai jate hai na like
I hope people in Manipur also level up how that have the sing masan sai profession du gi matung in have the punglon gi matung in jagoi chaba do Manipur da kitang hai ba dar ga diam nungai khoi gi mamang gi episode sing da so when I was talking with different models sai dar makoi na so have matam da khoi gi viral chathan bi have a pot se sigi se khoi na yam na nungai ba yam na faza ba gi type ta yam na weapon na moine use story hai ta ngak gi nungai na du ta this is called khoi gi cyber bullying or cyber harassment se khoi gi Manipur di am kan ba hai ta I think people level up more hai ta ko makata na mog Hanson aina khangjening basi sigi competitions da khoi gi different pageantry gi platforms de inclusivity se me am lai hai ta khoi gi nupi gi win so khoi transgender sing da tholak pa da gi nupi gi win sing na khoi ni nga ba the women of all shapes size and colors are being welcome even married women are being welcome in that pageantry level hai ta rubaru gi win the inclusivity se kamaina ui thengna birak press experience
rubaru is like it's one of the biggest platform in India for male pageantry. Finally, like I know Rubaru song is like since I have watched all the episode of this Rubaru and after all, where I know experience but have like it's really fair. Like moi decorate moi makasale moi time schedule like I'm not professional way adugi no idea dum ni Rubaru in India like it was really great experience after all.
Yang sinungai ta sa matam da du sini different arn in so high zage ado Hanson wari sham nungai di marak na break macam tang lo minas break matung the Hanson IROM go nungai wari watai ga loine impact talk to Manipur hanjer ki ge impact news po mijing ta dan lev you.
Step into the world of luxury with Classic Hospitality Training Institute. Admission for 2025 is now open. Join our one-year hotel management course covering front office, food and beverage service, housekeeping, culinary arts, and workplace skills, plus a 4-month internship with the Classic Group of Hotels. Visit us at Hotel Imphal by the Classic, North AOC, Imphal West. Call 6909358685. Your journey to a great career starts today.
I gaming Ahibamjit Kumar Singh NEET UG 2020 exam da Manipur gi oina state topper oiraki and I am a very proud student of Comet Coaching Institute.
Start your journey with Comet, Manipur leading NEET Coaching Institute. Admissions are now open for the regular NEET UG Medical.
Apply before 6th of June 2025.
Classes begin 12th of June 2025. With a legacy of success, 184 students cleared NEET in 2023, 177 in 2024, and state toppers year after year. Experienced faculty, NCERT-based study material, regular assessments, and personal mentorship.
Future experience in the Comet ki manung da lairiba facilities in asi amutang di try to.
Free studentships and 50% fee concessions available for meritorious students. Seats are limited. Comet, where excelling is the way of life. Enroll today, shine tomorrow.
breaking matung da mayam bataram lokchiri Hanson ga wari makata sage Hanson breaking among the koi wari nungai mayam khak shan na gre haitar Hanson ge koi gi experience myang ge matang da so koi da mayam wari libi gre haitar Hanson makata na ina khangjening base koi gi pageantry habase it's all about portraying your leadership quality haitar overall se kamai tor kan ai isa se kamai na carry to ga ge and ai gi leadership qualities na kadai nga habase smai na show to ba adu ba yam na achaw platform khak ni sakhar fazare body khar fazare indam tho ba ya ba ni te haitar you have to be overall groom mentally and physically. Ado na sigi platform sida RUBARU Mr. India 2025 sida koigi Hanson advocate taubiba topic ama khakte obviously lerm gadaba male haitare ado karida vocal oibi ki adu gi matang la so haibi
what should I do and see like I story the best when talk ko like I has insecurity like about my looks, about my physique.
No, I've seen one of the reels, where you are, oversized.
Yeah. Still insecure, amazing. Like photo captures like kayo kot pa mina am no equal like negative comment went down to the went on man I advocacy like whole world like Manipur repeating is like one of my biggest advocacy would be self-love, because self-love is the best kind of love. When you start loving yourself, everything comes in line. Hiding is like isana haidi nungsijare haidi isana isada priority pirak matamsida like whole thing just change tawum ngam haidi mayam nungsirpa haidi isana nungsirga isa change tawum matamdadi mayam since la hybrid and advocacy would be self-love na hiding
yamna sungai taza matanda the cars oi brand su khale haitar ade hensen makhata na muksigi competition se sivogi levels te yore mega mas notice te han han boina mayam di have the state manung da oina hamad introduction tawnar me nang de dum notice ta gi hona dum hograbane haitar introduction se ko rusigi platform si bok yong lo honak matam se tongan individuals me am ka thengnar am gadab male sigi platform se da credit ti kana da kat pining have you
credit se ngasai ahamba hobut haijagre ahamba sigi line sang pose yamba da Roberto na mana photo thagala kodagi Darwin Tonjam, one of the most renowned designer in Manipur, mana approach towarga nangyani ko ni have man make a try towards college mana tawre ngonda. Then after that we lekai yamba project zum ai workshop per rem kitakpi maju thaina modeling kar torum bazane mana ngonda rem sap ko takpire. Then after that aduga ai sigi hamba line sang batam jida like mi fazana khang da bai tamak ta idi photo ka pa ko ta uji ai man om nei ba ma je like koi gi khangna ba sum tinagi social media da ge manai ma je kitang camera ka pa mi kitang pamja ba like camera gumba ka pa ko pa kitang pamja ma je aduga mana ka pa mana smaina ba kitang mating do bi ko pe han man harau mating pang ki because so yam nei man om nei mana ije dum like mega gi whole entire mega gi video number ko pa to photo ka ma lo in to ne ba mo to adagi horok gi makeup artist na khoi gi hamba da vikas khagen bam hana da ni khila thabuk tor ma ji tong ana ji non thong da tong ana parlor na hajar lai jam ne ji adagi adwaina igi mega journey jin adwaina samlam na lai ko adagi and after that RUBARU Mr. India lak patam ji de around in high room matam da one of the Arvind Johnson da Arvind mating to bi re ngon pachana handak mana ngon sponsor pi den dress award to bi re adagi dress da am hagana Daba Sansari nam kana zung engon the dress and PB as a gratitude toward my she RUBARU sa pi da makta dadiki na zung to bi engon da dedicate person to bi adagi da sures arubam do aduna mu engon da baina kan to bi ko to baina to bi dagi overall da sures engon da mu katang improvement laina ba da makta mu id day and night mu wangang ko pa tamba adi mazu thabak siline sal laga zu like I'm really grateful to him because man id magi mu free time do khai dok piraga nungdang do English ngam got pa swaina ngam so nang hai do la le ko da ben tamir ko and mo credit mo do limpi adagi quite so credit one of my biggest supporter my parents dum di tasing na pini
am sunungai they talking about your parents, introduce us to your family also.
Yes. Ai ming koi babagi ming ha gana IROM loyangamba adagi mamagi ming ha gana asangbam Miranda maina le chegi na IROM Speta main le jare
yam sunungai je ado every man has a very dream high direct have the chong manglan me am khak sumang Hanson gi so chong manglan me am khak lerem gadaw ma le haitar Hanson future plan di kamai na thambi ri wari li video ding tang
future plans like I once I have set a goal I will never leave a stone unturned I mindset le jai like I na kom mama da ju hai ma ba ai si thaina stage program pang panina ai ma si thok panina international jona bu salam gini ma ai platform set torong gani kot kini I even promised to my mom kneeling down when torga ai advaina future gi like international gi program matung da like ai platform set torga after that advaina kitingi maina labor future is maina yi uji khan
yam na sumai pak wo view hai the especially mai ke gi ko Hanson the worry shining with me am khang le do impact talk to Manipur na kakna matam wo Hanson ko in pugmen pawmin of gate and jadi le do losh like was Hanson you are also one of the victim of kind of cyber harassment haitar at the same time ko June the month of June is also celebrated as men's mental health issues month haitar ko see thanks to all the men out there who are bottling up their feelings, who are suffering from mental health issues haitar as Hanson na kari message pe ningi ma ko jali bata no sai
mental health issues are like it's one of the biggest threat in men because नुपाजी अखोई वखलोन भाई लेगे नुपाजी कनगदमने नुपाजी इमोशन फुदो होइदबनी खोलदबनी भाई लै भाई सिगी माइंड से लै मतमजिदा like most of the men literally feel depressed when moi feelings so haidok ta matmjiदा moi like sum tasal leigre oi masaina aina haning madi like express to thoj nei haning is like are you one of the victim oi rami ko ai like insecure oi rami like I was a double size when or was I am insecure me mina when bully to matmjiदा I am down chatlameba I even ghosted myself I signed the chahim ghosted to sale but I mapan to ngamor ikai khole ben khalaga sum adwaina health sum deteriorate ko da dugi sum khanjala ga dagi baina mi negative impact comment negative man la ko man khandar ko dagi ain haning di sum asai gi advocacy to pala sum self love panjani ko duma because baina self love is the best kind of love man to dagi haidi nang nungai taba pork matam dise dum ID nangi close ones like even your parents nangi sister nangi brother gumba da nangi close friends gumba da tang nangi feelings hadum haidok pa adu kan nangi like nang am lumam ba kano lairam ba nang adum kitang yang kani ana khanjai ko ai wakhal de aju amorom da haigadi am tin nungai ta matam da khang ba khang matung da ngamuk tra kan de ka kon lu tra ga mama ai sumain to recall am nungai te ko te man have da ai sa da su amna penza ba phangge ba mamana ju ibungo is dikchu khalu no kholu je kechu kaide baina khandor mamana ju thema da shaje like motivate to jabdu shana da again sha amena khona ba phaw ba baina to ga thamjani adu aina haning majdi nupana fana strong ga dami like adu ga ju men can cry aina haning is men can express their feelings toward everything, their close ones and everything. Aina du katang hangdi haini
yam sanungai ta sa matam the impact TV na su thong wer kan da puna makta yohan mangam jege time. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Masika lorena impact TV na paling na nas doctor impact talk to Manipur thor tanga swai solution jere matang episode ano personality amaga lorena ano worry kya pudna miyam gidamakta impact talk to Manipur connect with people you serve hanjer kige impact news pu mijing ta adar lebio
luhongba yaithokjare aigi ichanupi dayarani chungkham ga loinana sagolbar